Welcome back. Today we're looking at a classic chain of division. 8 divided by 4, divided by 8, divided by 4. Because this expression contains only division signs, the order in which you calculate matters completely. Let's break it down step by step. According to the order of operations, when an expression is made up entirely of division, operations share the same level of priority. That means we do not group terms arbitrarily. We must calculate strictly from left to right. Our first operation is the leftmost pair, 8 divided by 4. Step 1. Divide the first two numbers, 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. Replacing 8 divided by 4 with 2 simplifies our expression to 2 divided by 8 divided by 4. Now we continue moving from left to right. The next operation in line is 2 divided by 8. Step 2. Divide 2 by 8. 2 divided by 8 is equivalent to the fraction 2 over 8, which reduces to 1 over 4, or 0.25. Substituting 1 over 4 into our expression leaves us with 1 over 4 divided by 4. Now we have our final operation, 1 over 4 divided by 4. Remember the rule for dividing fractions. Dividing by a whole number is the exact same as multiplying by its reciprocal, which is 1 over 4. Step 3. Multiply the numerators and denominators straight across. 1 times 1 equals 1, and 4 times 4 equals 16. That gives us 1 over 16, or in decimal form, 0.0625. So our true final answer is 1 over 16.